Namaste to all, welcome to my channel ME Tuitions. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications. Today we'll continue the same exercise 5.3. Here is your third question. In an AP, first question, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. First question നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്? A 5 ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. A is 5. That means first term is 5. D equal to 3 means common difference is 3. And AN equal to 50 means its nth term. Nth term of this AP is 50. We have to find out N and Sn. Okay. So first we will take this AN. AN equal to 50 is the given condition. We know that how to find out the nth term of an AP. Nth term കാണാൻ ഒരു formula ഉണ്ട്, which is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 50. We have to apply the formula to find out AN. AN കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുള്ള formula നമ്മൾ ഈ സൈഡിൽ എഴുതി. On the other side we wrote this 50. ഇനി എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? We know that D is 3 and A is 5. A യും D യും നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. So 5 plus n minus 1 into D is 3 equal to 50. So we can take this 5 to that side. Then you will get n minus 1 into 3 equal 50 minus 5, which is equal to 45. Okay, n minus 1 into 3 is 45. So n minus 1 will be 45 divided by 3, which is equal to 15. Okay, n minus 1 is 15. So we can take n equal 15. This minus 1 will become plus 1. You will get 16. So our n is 16. Okay. Now we want to find out the sum. Sum Sn. Sn we have to find out. And in this case n is 60. So we have to find out this S16. What is the formula to find out the nth, sum of n terms? Which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, substituting all the values, n is 16 by 2 into A is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1. So we can write 15, isn't it? 16 minus 1 is 15 into common difference is 3. So 16 by 2 is 8. In bracket you can write 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5, 10. Plus 15 into 3 is 45. We'll write 8 into 55, which is equal to 440. Okay, so this is the sum of n terms. That means sum of first 16 terms of this sequence is 440 and n is 60. Got it? Second question. In the second question it is given that A equal to 7. That means first term is 7 and A13 is 35, which means n is 13 and 13th term is 35. So we can write n as 13. Okay. Find D and S13. We have to find out the common difference and S13. Okay. It is given that A13 is 35. Okay. A13 is 35. So we know that 13 is A plus 12D. That means A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 35. Okay. Now we can substitute A as 7 plus 12D equal to 35. That means 12D equal this 35 minus 7, which is equal to 28. So D equal to 28 by 12. We can just cancel with 4. Then it will be 7 into 4 is 28 and 3 into 4 is 12. So D equal to 7 by 3. Okay. So the common difference is 7 by 3. Now we have to find out this S13. We have so many formulas to find out the sum. In this case 13 is given. So we can use n by 2 into A1 plus AN. This is also a formula to find out Sn. Isn't it? This is Sn. So instead of this n, we are substituting 13. So S13 will be 13 by 2 into A1 means first term 7 and in this case A AN means A13. A13 is 35. So you will get 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 is 42. We can cancel this 2 and 42. That is 21. 21 into 13. 273. So sum is 273. Okay. Third question. A12 is 37. Common difference is 3. We have to find out A and S12. Now take AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A12 equal to 37 means A12 equal to 37 എന്ന് എടുക്കുക. A12 കാണാൻ A plus 11D which is 37. We know that D is 3. Substitute here. A plus 11 into 3 equal to 37. So A plus 11 into 3 is 33 which is equal 37. So A equal to 37 minus 33 which is equal to 4. So A is 4. Now we can find out Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into A1 plus An. Okay. Since here A12 equal to 37 is given. തന്നിട്ടുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കേട്ടോ. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d യൂസ് ചെയ്താലും മതി. So here we can substitute n is 12. 12 by 2 into A1 is 4 and An means here A12. A12 is 37. 12 by 2 is 6 into 37 plus 4 is 41. So we can write 246. Okay. So this is the sum of first 12 terms. Okay. Fourth question. A3 equal to 15. S10 equal to 125. D and A10 we have to find out. Okay. So from the given condition we have to find out the terms. So S10 ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ S10 equal to 125 എന്ന് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. Okay. To find out Sn we have the formula n by 2 into A1 plus An. Or for this S10 which is equal to 10 by 2 into A1 plus A10 which is given as 125. അല്ലേ. S10 പകരം 10 by 2 into A1 plus A10. This is 125. ഇതാണ് 125 ഇത് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. So 10 by 2 is 5 and A1 is A. Okay. Instead of this A10 we can write A plus 9D. Isn't it? That we studied. An means A plus n minus 1 into D. A എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് A plus n minus 1 into D ആണെങ്കിൽ A10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് A plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1 9D ആയിരിക്കും. അല്ലേ. So we are substituting this here. So you will get 125. In this case A plus A is 2A plus 9D equal to 125. This 5 we are taking to that side. So 125 by 5. Then you will get 25. So got an equation 2A plus 9D equal to 25. This is the first equation. And one more condition is given that A3 equal to 5. Isn't it? A3 equal to 15. A3 equal to 15. So we can write A plus 2D equal to 15. A3 നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? A plus 2D. So this is the second equation. We have to solve these two equations. For that, first I am going to multiply this equation by 2. Then only you will get a equal coefficients for this A. അല്ലേ. ഇവിടെ A അല്ലെങ്കിൽ Dയുടെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ഈക്വൽ ആക്കിയേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ ഈ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഇക്വേഷനെ ഞാൻ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യാണ്. സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷനെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2A plus 4D equal to 30 എന്ന് വരും. Okay. So this equation can be written as 3. Now we can solve this 1 and 3. Okay. Solve 1 and 3. First equation is 2A plus 9D equal to 25. This is the first equation. And 2A plus 4D equal to 30 is the third equation. We can subtract 1 minus 3. You can do like this. For that I am going to change all the sign of the third equation. 2A minus 2A is 0. 9 minus 4d is 5d. 25 minus 30 is negative 5. So d equal to negative 5 by 5, which is equal to negative 1. So the common difference is negative 1. Now we have to substitute this negative 1 in the first or second or third equation. You will get a. So I am going to substitute in the second equation. Then you will get a plus 2d equal to 15. That means a plus 2 into negative 1 equal to 15. Okay, substitute negative 1 in this case. So a minus 2 equal to 15, or a equal to 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. So first term is 17 and common difference is negative 1. Then it is easy to find out this a10. Okay, so a10 equal a plus 9d, which is equal to a is 17 plus 9 into d is negative 1, which is 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. Okay, so a10 is 8. Fifth question, we have to find out the first term and the ninth term. As you know, Sn equal to n by 2 into a1 plus an is there. This is an equation to find out the sum. But in this case, we cannot use this one. കാരണം എന്താ ഇത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. എയും അറിയില്ല a9 അറിയില്ല. So we are using the normal formula, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, it is given that S9 is 75. So here we are finding out this S9. So we can substitute here 75. S9 is 75. And n by 2. N is given as 9. 9 by 2. അല്ലേ S9 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ n 9 അല്ലേ? n is 9. Into 2 into a. a is not given. n is 9. So n minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. And the common difference is 5. So you can substitute 5 here. Now you will get 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5 is 40, which is equal to 75. Okay, 75 is the answer. So from this case, from this 2a and 40, 2aയും 2 in the multiple ആണ്, 40യും 2 in the multiple ആണ്. So from both the terms, we can take 2 outside. ഇതിൽ രണ്ടിലും 2 common ആണ് അല്ലേ? So 75 equal 9 by 2 into 2. So ഇവിടുന്ന് 2 outside എടുത്താൽ എന്താ വരിക? a വരും. Then ഇവിടെ 20. 20 into 2 is 40. Okay. So you can just cancel these 2's. And 75 equal to 9 into a plus 20. Take this 9 to this side. You will get 75 by 9 equal to a plus 20. So this 75 and 9 both are multiples of 3. We can divide both the terms by 3. The 9 by 3 is 3. 75 by 3. 25 by 3. So we can take 25 by 3 equal to a plus 20, which means a equal to 25 by 3 minus 20. Okay, a equal 25 by 3 minus 20. Okay, now we have to multiply this 20 by 3, then you will get the common denominator 3. അല്ലേ denominator same ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഈ denominator ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് multiply. So you will get a equal 25 minus 20 into 3 by 3, which is equal 25 minus 60 by 3, which is equal negative 35 by 3. So a is negative 35 by 3. Now we have to find out a9, isn't it? Now you got a as negative 35 by 3 and you have to find out a9. a9 equal to, we have to find out. So for that we can use a9 equal a plus 8d, isn't it? So you can substitute this negative 35 by 3 plus 8 into common difference is 5. So you will get negative 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5 is 40. Again multiply this negative 35 plus multiply this 3 with 40. That means 3 into 40 by 3. Okay. So a9 equal to negative 35 plus 120. 3 into 40 is 120 by 3. Then subtract this 35 from 120 and divide with 3. So you will get 85 by 3. So this is the ninth term of this arithmetic progression. Okay. So we have completed 5 questions in the third part of that exercise 5.3. We will continue the same questions, the same exercise on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.